help. My goals for the rest of this month is literally being able to either like sell a couple of these bundles or all together. I think this would be perfect for anyone that might be interested in checking it out. Our lip kit is literally going to be a lip liner, a liquid lip, or lipstick of your choice. And then, of course, you can choose from a lucrative lip gloss, the lip kit lip gloss right here, which comes in with a 3, and then a lip plumper. So you have choices. This is totally customizable, you guys. You guys can get this bundle and customize it to the way you are wanting it. So lip liner, liquid lip, or lipstick, and then you can choose from the lucrative mini lip gloss trio, lip plumper, or lip gloss here. So let me know what you guys want to do. I would love to help you. The entire bundle is literally going to just be adding 2 more products. So it's the lip mask and lip scrub. Maybe I should do the lip scrub first. But yeah, this is such a good bundle, you guys. You guys should totally take advantage of it. Now, I am going to we have other bundles. So if you are interested in the other bundles, comment bundles and I will send you the details of those bundles. I'm so glad I did a lip scrub. Oh my gosh. Got some crusty ass lips, man. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Oh, that was awful. Hair. So the lip scrub, the lip scrub, I'm sorry you guys, there was like, I don't know how there was so much hair on that one. Lip scrub is super creamy. It's not a rough texture, so it's so good. It takes off the crusties and all the crap. The next thing as well, you're gonna get your lip mask in this bundle. Our lip mask, you can choose from the holiday one or the original one. So good, you guys. It's healing, hydrating, all. Bless you, George. It's so good. All right, our liquid lip here. Our liquid lip is a matte. It does not dry you down. It's supposed to have your like anti-aging properties for your lips, and oh shoot, it's okay. And it's supposed to also give you that hydration in as well, so it's not just going to it's not gonna do anything. But of course, like, all of our makeup has skincare infused in it too. even though I did put on a liquid lip, I did like go over like the rough edges of this. So today what we're going to do is we're going to use the mini lip gloss trio. This is what it looks like. It is kind of as big as a finger, but there are 3 different shades. The brown that I'm using, and it has like gold, brown, copper reflex, so it's super pretty. There's another one which is the red one right here. So pretty too. I don't use it often because I do not wear a lot of red, but this is what it looks like. Maybe this weekend if I do a red lip, I will certainly use it so you guys can see it. And then this one has like more of like, it's like a, yeah, not yellow, but it's crystal, a clear white lip gloss. So it is so good, you guys. Literally, these bundles are so easy. They're all on sale. With the lip sale, you're gonna get if you can get 3 products, you're saving 15%. If you're doing 4 products or more, you're saving 20%. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Almost forgot about my brows today, but it is okay. We're gonna do it now. Hey Mindy, oh thank you. I hope you're having a good Friday. It's George's birthday today. I cannot believe he's 3. It's insane. Hey, the spray foundation is now 30%. It's still on sale, but I just wanted to let you know it's 30% if you are wanting to check that out. But we have a lot of like really good other products. I'll let him know. It's just so sad that he's 3. He's getting older and more independent. I wish my mom was here. I mean, my mom is here spiritually and stuff. It's just, I wish she was here to, like, we could all enjoy it. You know? Alright, so this is it, you guys. I'm going to try to go live sometime throughout the day to show you guys my bundles. These are so good. I use these every day. So if you guys have any questions, it's literally all in here that I use. I mean, I have a bunch of other products, but these are my favorites right now. These are literally my favorites. I don't think I have a lot but I have my favorites, and you guys, literally this is what I use. We're gonna put on some setting spray. If you guys want to know what setting spray I used the Lorella matte setting spray. It does help a good bit. So you guys, I hope you all have a good day. I hope you all enjoyed this live. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want to partner, become an ambassador or an affiliate, please let me know. I'd love to help you all out. But other than that, I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.